G'day guys, Greg here. Listen, I've got another unboxing video because I know how much you guys love these unboxing videos. Okay, you don't. And they're not really that interesting, are they? But bad luck, because I'm doing one anyway. And, well, ZenPop, they decided to send me another box. Why would you do that? You know that it could be a hit or miss. So, I mean, good on them for being game, I reckon. Now, I know that you'd probably prefer it if I was singing original songs on my guitar. 'Cause I know you are the girl I can't find in my mind. But that's why I have a music channel that's separate to this one. Anyway, we're going to open this new ZenPop box from Japan full of Japanese snacks and see what we get inside this one and give a couple a try. Let's do it. Alrighty. Let's see what we get inside this one here. Alright, oh, nice and green inside. It's like Christmas. Alright, thank you. Well, thank you very much for sending me this one. Oh, here we go. So, ramen and sweets mix pack, this one. Oh, sweet as. Well, let's see what we get. Oh, that one looks good. Some crisp somethings. They look like chocolate. I tell you what, I'll try those ones. Oh, these ramen look good, don't they? And you get 30%. We don't know of what, but it's 30%. I won't try those yet. I might just try the small things, like this. Whatever that is. Looks like a guy on a scooter. Awesome! Awesome trail mix, or as we call it in Japan, yep. We got some drum things here. They look good. What's this? Oh, cones. You know how much I love these things. Oop, that way around. I do love my cones. I tell you what, I try to have some all the time. And, well, we got something else here, some corn something with some round squirrely things in there. They look all right. Oh, looks like they forgot to put the sachet inside and had to add it on later. What a bunch of... I've got some, looks like, I don't even know which is up and which is down. I'd say it this way, but it's got like some, looks like chips of some sort. I wonder if these are like Pringles, Japanese Pringles. They could be. And, well, we got some of this here. Some Jaggerbee. Well, they look all right, Jaggerbees. Wouldn't mind jagging a bee myself. I prefer to jag some D, though. Stop! So I don't think I'll be trying any of the ramens today. I did that last time, but I will try some of these other snacks that are in here. I should start off with the scooter. See what the scooter thing is. Oh. Well, it looks like a big rice cracker. It's already falling apart. It fell out everywhere as soon as I opened it. But it looks good. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Oh, I like these things. Mmm. Oh. Ah. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Ah. 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 Oh, I didn't mind that one. That was pretty good. And it's still all over my shirt. I can save some of that for later. Alright, so what's next? How about we try the drummer things? See what these are. Oh, it looks like croutons. I'll have to make some soup. Add some of these croutons too. No, not soup. One of those salads, you know, with the bacon and mayo. Whatever that's called. Let's try these crouton things. Ooh. Tastes like vinegar. These would be really good if you crushed them up, coated your fish in it and cooked with it. They're not bad, but they're not great. But if you like salt and vinegar chips, you probably like these salt and vinegar croutons. Now, I really wanted to try these Japanese Pringles. Let's see if once I pop, I just can't stop. Oh, wow. These look cool. And hardly any are broken since I travelled all the way from Japan. But yeah, they look pretty good, huh? And they're made for Japanese sized tongues too. Oh. Well, I don't know what they're made out of. I thought it might be potato, but I'm not too sure now. It tastes like if they were potatoes. They stored them next to the fish markets, and it's got a little bit of that sort of taste about it. Not sure if I'm too keen on that. They are edible, but only just. Right, well, I'll take these down to the lake later on and feed the fish with them. They might like them. Alright, so actually, I'll go with this one here. This might be another savoury one. See what these are like. Oh, Japanese trail mix. Is there any trails in Japan? Maybe Mount Fuji's got a trail. But that's what it looks like. Looks like those eggs that you find when you step on a cockroach. You know, the thing that spits out the back. Yeah, why did I have to mention that? But they smell like seaweed. Yeah. Oh, wow, these got a real like chili kick. I think it's wasabi. Yes, I think that's a picture of wasabi there. Yeah. I like these. These are really good. Not too sure about eating these on a trail though, because if you're eating them up the top of Mount Fuji and, you know, the wasabi goes right through you, you'll need to find a toilet somewhere. Whew, man, it's hot in this kitchen. I am sweating so bad. It's not from the wasabi, but from my lighting, you know. And it's about 40 degrees Celsius and 90% humidity in my kitchen. Anyway, let's try these crisp things. Let's hope they're chocolate at least. They look like little rocks or uncleaned roots of a plant. And they're like a little star shape. Smells like Nesquik. Very soft. Wow. Soft and chocolatey. Oh yeah. These would be great if you like have dentures. Yeah, they're really soft and just dissolve in your mouth. Oh, I like these. But will I like them as much as my cones? I doubt it. Now you open this one like a tissue packet. Oh, it's got another packet inside. It's like pass the parcel, this one. I wonder if there's another packet inside this packet. No. But there is a bunch of melted cones. That's a problem when you live in the subtropics. It's hot, it's humid, everything melts together. But let's try one of these. Looks like a biscuit base with a chocolate top. And that pointy bit of the chocolate cone is, well, it's all chocolate. Now it leaves you with this, like, little tinier bit there. And I'll tell you what, that chocolate tastes so good. Wow. Oh yeah. That biscuit base is like a shortbread style biscuit. And the chocolate. Oh man. These are good. Yum. Oh mate. Those are unreal, these ones. I could put on 10 kilos eating 50 kilos of these, that's for sure. Yum. Anyway, there's a new ZenPop box. I still have plenty on my shirt to eat and drink by the looks of it. Yeah, I mean, some of these things in there today were tasty as. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I open a Japanese box to reveal what's inside. That's if they ever send me another one. See you then. Oh yeah.